joining me. You're here with Data Science Teacher Brandyn, and we're going to go over how to do the distribution plot of numerical features and categorical features in one for loop in Seaborn. Okay, so starting off here with for fees. So this is our iterable variable in our for loop in df.columns. This is giving us all of our column names, and so we're going to do starting here, changing some things with Seaborn requires using matplotlib, so making the background plot a little bit wider, a little bit better for distribution plots. And then I'm going to go if it's the data type of the column is an object. I'm going to do s&s count plot, so Seaborn count plot, data equals df, x equals feature, so an iterable variable, color equals a different color just to choose from, keeping it interesting. And then else, in this data set, we only have categorical and numeric features. So by default, if it's not an object, then it is a numeric one. So we can do a histogram, a hist plot, right here in C1. So df data equals df, x equals feet, and then a different color again, just for fun. Here, what I'm doing in the title is I'm adding a space, a line break before and a line break after, and that way when you plot your titles, you get a little bit of spaces, a little bit nicer in my opinion. I'm gonna changing again with matplotlib title. You're gonna do font equals 22 and font weight bold, just to give a little bit more texture, just so you can see this a little bit more visible. Okay, so then plot.show. Okay. So very nice. A little bit longer than doing with pandas, but it makes quite nice plots. You can see here we got our two different, our count plot right here, and then our histogram right here, our numeric features. Okay. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.